Abaana bafanire ne Tumuhindo w'emyaka 13 na Rodrigue Masereka w'emyaka 5 batabano bakureza Broni omutura wa Murambo ya kabiri. Omugambirizi wa polisi abw'ekyange kya Rwenzori East Nelson Tumusiime yahamya amakuru go kufa kw'abaana abo.
The two drowned when they were coming back from the field they had gone to harvest, and their parents left them behind.
They were from the garden, Katumba, crossing from Katumba to Muramba 2. They faced this river, Isebwe, when it has overflooded with the water. It had rained a bit, and the rain was not too much as such, but they were swept off by overcrowding heavy floods.
Abatuwana b'ebembezi nibashaba government okubakorera enguuto ezibamalireho abantu.
Esekole akalalo akabataka nabwe ekibwitwe tukasaba nga government eyina mutukolaji eyina mutuhereria obuyambi obiraba n'otutendera olusi ekwanabi edestesi eyeshondrendo.
And we also cry to the government that please help us and join us as leaders to have some footbridges around, because where they were crossing there was no footbridge. So it is our cry to the government that they should join us and we put some footbridges along everywhere there is crossings.
So where kitanywa omunyeshenjero wa Busongola North yahananiriza abatura obutambuka mujerogu gwaba gwijwire nkahati.
Abazadde obana omuntu yenna bona laba nti enkuba begudde le gezaako nnyo tosala mu mazzi gendo nonye awaliwo bridge.
We want to caution the public that there is need for them to be careful, especially when it rains heavily, and whenever they are crossing the streams and the rivers in Kasese, they have to be very careful.
Gasha kwa Kasese.